Hello friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can make transactions on your Opay account without the internet connection, without having data. Sometimes you may want to transfer money on Opay to someone else's account or buy data or buy recharge card and you don't have internet connection to access your Opay account or your Opay app. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you the code, the USSD code with which you can transfer money, buy data, buy airtime, do all kinds of transactions from your Opay accounts without the internet, without having data connection. So here's what you do. On your Opay account where it says earn 300 Naira bonus, get your pay me account for collection. Click on this place where you see this small gift box. Click on it. When you click on that place, it's going to show you an interface that looks like this, where it says merchant services. Use your pay me account to receive payment into your Opay account. This one right here is actually an Opay account, which is not your phone number but a unique Opay account with which you can use to receive money into your Opay account without your mobile number. So what you do is see these two dots here, just swipe to the left, swipe your screen to the left and you will see what I'm about to show you. Now let me swipe my own and show you. Now it says use Opay to make payments. Ask your customers to pay you with Opay. Also get 800 Naira bonus reward for every new referral. Okay, that's for referrals. See what we are interested in. It says die USSD star 955 star 1 star amount star account number hash to transfer money to someone else's account. So the Opay USSD code is star 955 star. So whenever you dial star 955 hash on your phone without internet connection, you can do transactions, send money to someone, buy data, make transfers, buy airtime without your internet connection. So that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to this channel and turn on all notifications because I'll be sharing videos on how to make money on Opay and many other services and websites. Stay tuned.